Bitcoin's having trouble breaking above that $100,000 level. We're going to go into the charts and see where it could go next. All right, so Bitcoin was able to break above $100,000 a few days ago once again, but quickly was rejected back down. Still having trouble getting above that $100,000 psychological resistance. And we continue to go sideways in this channel here between 92,000 and 100,000. And right now, we are still holding this uptrend. This line here on the this upward sloping line, we're still holding this uptrend. So basically, Bitcoin has been popping up, consolidating slightly upwards, popping up, consolidating slightly upwards, popping up, consolidating slightly upwards. So this is pretty nice. I mean, usually you see a pump up, then consolidates downwards or sideways, and then goes up again. But Bitcoin doesn't want to do that. It wants to just continue going up, go up fast, then up slowly, up fast, up slowly, and then up fast. So we could be on the verge of another big pop to the upside. When that will happen, nobody knows. But here in the short term, we are still holding the upward sloping line, holding this uptrend. But I would be cautious right now. We do have a bearish divergence on the daily, higher highs in the price, lower highs in the RSI. So, you know, we had this on the 4-hour a while back, and it didn't really matter. We just kind of slowly kept going up. I think it might have been back here, and then eventually broke to the upside. So we might just continue slowly going up or sideways for a while, and then eventually break to the upside. We'll see. But in the short term here, we are in this channel. We just hit the upward side of the channel, so would make sense that we come down and test the bottom side of the channel again. So we could see Bitcoin continue downward towards 91.7K over the next few days. We'll see. Really, we got to watch this line, see if Bitcoin breaks below it. If we do, then yeah, we'll probably head down to 91.7K. And if we look on the 4-hour, the EMA ribbon, which has been bullish for a long time, it's just now flipping bearish. So we might get rejected off that, and that could start our dump down towards 91.7K. We'll see. Tough to say what's going to happen right now. We're basically at the breaking point where we could go up or down, but we should find out over the next few hours. So I'll just be cautious right now, especially with trading. But, oh yeah, one other thing, Ethereum, which we talked about last time. So Ethereum was breaking out of this multi-year pattern, 3-year pattern. It's been in this triangle. However, we wicked back down, so we don't have the breakout quite yet. But if we go on the weekly, you can see we did close a weekly candle above this line, and now we've come back down. So you could make the case that we're coming down for the retest, and if we can bounce off this line, it could confirm this breakout, and we could see Ethereum then have its massive pump. So we'll have to watch this, see how this next week plays out. If we can bounce off this line here, then we could see that massive breakout for Ethereum. But still too early to tell right now. But yeah, if Ethereum gets that breakout, then Ethereum will have a price target up at like $7,000. We'll see a big pump starting for Ethereum, which means Bitcoin should go up a lot too, and the whole crypto market should see a big pump along with Ethereum. So we'll see. We'll have to watch how this next week plays out, see if we get that breakout for Ethereum. Too early to tell still. But yeah, in the short term, we're still in this channel. Of course, long term, over the next few months, we should see Bitcoin to continue going higher, hitting those higher price targets, 126,000, 150,000, and potentially even higher. But here on the short term, we are still in this channel. If we do break our support at 91.7K, there isn't much support all the way back down to 69K. So if we do break down below that, then we could see a massive dump. However, I think that's pretty unlikely. I think it's more likely we go sideways here in this channel for a while and eventually break to the upside again. But we'll see in the immediate short term over the next few hours and days. We'll see if we can hold this uptrend here, this upward sloping line, or I think more likely we'll come back down and test our support here, 91.7K. So could see 92K over the next few days. We'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch y'all later.